Well, hi everybody. Good Wednesday morning to you, meteorologist Travis Kleneski here. Some rogue thunder showers this morning northwest of the Tri-Cities. We'll have a slim chance as we go through the day today of seeing some more of that activity out there. Again, favoring areas north and west of the Tri-Cities. Those could continue into the evening hours, but then as we get into tonight after dark, I think most of the activity will go away. Mostly clear to start off tomorrow morning. As we get into the day, tomorrow warm conditions expected again. Very, very slim chance of rain. Way out west is where I think the better chance will start to develop in the afternoon and into the evening hours. Some severe weather likely out in the western part of the state. Now, as these push eastward later on tomorrow night, they will weaken. There's a small chance we still may see some severe weather in central Nebraska after midnight. That said, again, the storms, you can kind of see it there, will weaken just a bit. They'll continue into early Friday morning. Then we'll get a break for much of the day Friday before we see more development later Friday afternoon and into Friday evening. So I'd say that 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock time frame on Friday is going to be mostly dry. We'll still be fairly warm out there in most spots thanks to at least some sunshine, hopefully. Partly to mostly cloudy skies expected. But again, towards the end of the day, showers and storms will refire and continue into the evening hours. We'll watch that severe weather threat a little closer for Friday for more of us out there, and then we'll keep chances of rain and thunderstorms going into our Saturday. This is as far out as my forecast model goes for right now, but it still looks like a number of showers and thunderstorms in the area late Friday night, right into your day on Saturday. The severe weather chance will shift to the southeast Saturday as a cold front starts to make its way through. But we could also be looking at some pockets of heavy rain in the coming days ahead as we get towards that Friday, Saturday time frame here. So let's look at your severe weather threat the next couple of days. I don't see much severe weather in the forecast for today. Here's a marginal threat out towards the west. I think better chances will be down to our south and southwest. But Thursday, tomorrow into tomorrow night, better chance we see some severe weather. Wind and hail, the primary threat there in the higher elevations out in western Nebraska and eastern Colorado. Those will push into central Nebraska after midnight Friday or Thursday night, and so we'll have a small chance, but they will be weakening. So maybe some large hail to quarter size, some gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour, but not as much of a chance as what we would see farther west. Friday holds the potential late in the day and into Friday night for a better chance of some severe weather, kind of developing mid to late afternoon hours and continuing into Friday evening. And once again, wind and hail look to be the bigger threat. Maybe an isolated tornado threat, especially as you get towards southwest portions of Nebraska. And day 4, there is no outlook out right now, but I could see there maybe eventually being a risk in the southeastern parts of the area for Saturday. But as of right now, there is no outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. So, forecast for today. Not completely dry, but most of us will stay dry. A 20% chance of thunderstorms up north with highs in the lower 80s. Out west, also looking at low, maybe even mid 80s out there with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. About a 15% chance around the Tri-Cities. You get east of Highway 281, we probably won't see anything today. Low to mid 80s in the south and mostly lower 80s in the east with mostly sunny skies. All right, now to that 7-day forecast. Again, pretty quiet today outside of those rogue thunder showers. Tomorrow, mostly dry. Tomorrow night, that's when we get those thunderstorms rolling across the state, not till the late night hours after midnight in central Nebraska. We'll get a break during the middle part of the day on Friday, then more storms develop later Friday afternoon into Friday night. We'll watch that severe weather threat a little closer. That's probably the best chance for many of us of seeing a little severe weather. Then we start to see the cooler weather move in, or cooler air move in on Saturday, although it'll still probably be warm in the southeast, and with that clash of air masses, severe weather possible again in the southeast. A really good chance of rain during the day on Saturday. Could be some localized flooding. I think many of us could be in the order of an inch or two of rain, but some spots may pick up a little bit more than that. So maybe some patchy localized flooding out there. Some of those showers and thunderstorms last into Saturday night, but by Sunday we're done with the rain. Partly cloudy Sunday, still cool-ish. It's not bad though, mid-60s with partly cloudy skies. Pretty nice day out there. Mid-70s and partly sunny skies on Monday. Tuesday, partly cloudy, a slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm as we see highs get closer to 80 degrees. So there you go. Again, your forecast, not overly complicated, but again, gets a little more busy as we get towards the end of the week as we cool things back heading towards the upcoming weekend. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Hope you all have an enjoyable day, and I'll talk to you again on your Thursday. God bless. Bye.